So for this video, I'm just going to show inside the PowerShell of Azure that I'm not going to show it all at the beginning of signing in and everything. Every video from now on, I'm not going to show that you can look at that in the overview video of creating a virtual machine. So let's just pretend we're at the beginning after that. So let's create let's see actually what resource groups are in. So you get Azure resource group, or we only have one, so let's create a new one. So you do new, resource group. Probably because a quick video, quicker than the overview. So I'm kind of gonna rush through as many things as I can. And it's just gonna focus on creating a virtual machine, a Linux one. So let's call it demo RG. And let's give it the location. UTS. Alright, so create that real quick. So now let's create a virtual machine. So let's do new. And I said Linux, right? Yeah. Because I showed you before, that was just a default one and default size and all that. So let's do some more. So resource group name is going to be demo.rg. The name is demo Linux VM, maybe said. Put it in quotes. I think you're supposed to. I don't think I did that for the other one, and that's maybe how it got messed up. Credential get credential location is US. The image is called Ubuntu LTS, and we want to be able to SSH into the machine, so you do open ports 22, and let's say it was Windows 1, then we do 3389. Alright, so let's run this. So yeah, like I said, Microsoft will be 3389. So I honestly don't know what this get credential thing is. It's not working. It must be some sort of, I honestly don't know. It shows blue in the documentation, so maybe this is supposed to be blue, but well, I mean, this is supposed to be blue too, so I don't know why it's not working. But anyway, it's just whatever. It's create the thing machine, and it's going to be this size. And anyway, that's how to create a Linux one. Alright, so it's been created, succeeded, Linux VM, demo.rg, and this. So now let's assign it as a variable, so we don't have to keep talking about it like that. So we're gonna get that virtual machine, and the specific name of it is Linux VM, and we're gonna just assign it to this variable, so it's easier to refer to later once we work with it a bit. I'm just gonna do a few things. Alright, so we assigned that variable, so now if you want to see the information about it, like, you could just do there. So now it's just saying get AZVM and all this stuff instead, but just through that. So now like, if you wanted to see, you could use a dot syntax to look up, like, it's, I don't know, storage profile. OS disk. If you want to pass it into other commandlets, you could do get az public IP address. So now it's gonna use this command on this virtual machine. And there we got it. There's a lot it shows actually, but here it is. And now we could do, if we want to connect a virtual machine, we can through SSH you can. So you do SSH and whatever username you put, and let's copy this. Put in the password, and we're in it. And that's way faster than using the portal and do all that. And if you want to exit it, you just type exit. And now, so I showed you everything, so we could just remove. Actually, let's try. So now we don't have to say what we want to remove. We want to remove that, which is the virtual machine. And anyway, it's gonna delete it. And that's it for creating and working with Linux virtual machine using PowerShell, Azure PowerShell.